how to enable the touchpad on your laptop using just the keyboard. So if your touchpad isn't working, I'm going to show you how to turn this on using just your keyboard. Now, the first thing you can try doing is using the function keys to enable the touchpad. Now, this is going to differ depending on your model of laptop, but typically you need to press one of the F keys at the top of your keyboard. So this will usually be the F6, F7, F8, or the F9 key. You may also see a trackpad symbol on one of the keys to help you identify which one to press. If it's not working, then try holding down the Fn key, and you can also try pressing the F keys as well. So you can try pressing Fn and F6, Fn and F7, and so forth. Now, if it's still not working, I'll show you how to go in and enable this on the computer itself. So just go and press the Windows button on your computer to bring up the Start menu. You can then use your keyboard to type in Settings and then press Enter. Now press the Tab button on your keyboard, and then you can use the downwards arrow to click on Bluetooth and Devices and then press Enter. Now keep pressing the Tab key until you have Devices selected like this. You could then use the downwards arrow to come all the way down to Touchpad and then press Enter. Now you should have the touchpad selected like this. Now to go in, enable and disable this, you can just use the space bar on your keyboard and make sure your touchpad is turned on. Once you've done that, your touchpad should now be working, and that's how to enable it using the keyboard.